Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to remove job post from Indeed. So if you have a job post on Indeed and you want to stop people from seeing that job post, it's very easy. So let's get started. All right, so the first step you have to take is, of course, go to indeed.com and then log into your account. Once you log into your account, at the top right corner, you find this employers/post job option. Click on that. After clicking on that, from here, you're going to have to click on jobs. At the top left corner, click on jobs and you are going to find your job post right here. So what you have to do next is to scroll down just a little bit and you find this option to open. Click on the drop down icon and you get this other options: pause, close. So what you just have to do is to click on closed. And once you do that, here you get this option to choose why you are closing this job. First, you can select I hired someone, I didn't hire anyone, I have a technical or billing issue. So depending on your reason, all right. So for me, I will select I hired someone and then I'll click on continue. All right, so here you have to still answer this one. It says, how did you hire? I hired with Indeed, I hired another way. So I'll select I hired with Indeed. And it still says how many hires. So I have to increase this by clicking on the plus sign, and the number of people I hired will appear right here. And then I'll click on close this job at the bottom right corner. And as you can see right here, it says closed. So now I've closed this job and people on Indeed will not be able to see this job post anymore. So guys, that's how you can actually remove a job post from Indeed. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.